Hey everyone, glad you're here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the Home section in the chess.com app on your Android device. This feature allows you to control what appears on your home screen, like play online, lessons, coach, and more. Let's jump into the steps. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on the option labeled Home. This will bring you to a screen with customization options. Now you'll see a list of toggles like Show Play Online, Show Coach, Show Lessons, and other sections. To remove any section from your home screen, simply turn off the toggle next to the section you don't want to see. Once you've finished customizing, return to the Home section and you'll notice that the changes have taken effect immediately. That's it for today's tutorial. Now your chess.com Home section is clean and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.